Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel with Google Adwords so you can run ads on YouTube and make money that way. Okay, so stick around. We'll be right back in a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel with Google AdWords and mix them together. As you know, Google owns YouTube. They're basically one company. And I want to show you how to connect your YouTube channel to the Google AdWords, and it'll help you learn how to run ads on YouTube so that you can make money with your products and services that way. Okay? Alright, so first of all, if this is your first time being here to my channel, or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty, and also what we do here at this channel is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you out. And once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video too as well. Okay. All right. Well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. What we're going to do is come over. This is not going to be a very long video because it's pretty straightforward on how to connect your YouTube account, your YouTube channel to Google AdWords. And with so what we want to do is we want to come over here to Google AdWords here, and we'll sign in. If you don't have a Google account, all it takes is a Gmail account. You're like a Gmail email address and your password. You have a Google account. Once you have the one Google account, you're good to go with all of Google's different types of services. You're good to go with that one account. All right, so if you don't have a Gmail account, then go over to gmail.google.com, I think it is, or mail.google.com. And you can sign up for a Gmail email account, which I think most people are probably pretty familiar with. Okay, so once you do that, then you just you can go to ads.google.com, and it will be you can set up your account with your Gmail account there. And then now I've already got mine set up here, so when I load it up, it comes right now. It comes to accounts.google.com service login over here. So what I'm going to log in here, and it will automatically log me into my Google AdWords account right here, which I have right here at the top of this menu right here. All right, so we'll go ahead and sign into my Google AdWords account here, and just select an account here. I've got a couple of them on here. Let's see here. Here we go. All right, it brings you in, and it brings you into the Google AdWords or Google Ads overview here. And you see there's lots of different things you can do here. You can set up campaigns for your ads. You have campaign settings here that you can work with. Locations, and where you want to target locations and so on and so forth. And if you're familiar with Google AdWords, you probably already know this, but if you're not, this is sort of what it looks like, an overview of it, of what it looks like. Now, easy enough to connect your YouTube channel to your Google AdWords account. Basically, what you want to do is you want to have your channel URL already ready to go here. Okay, so you will click and highlight your URL. Copy it, and then come over to where you want to do is come over here to where it says tools and settings right here at the top right here. And if you click on that, it opens up this menu. You see you have quite a few different choices here that you can do in this menu here under these categories: planning, shared library, bulk actions, measurement, setup, and billing. And then you've got your performance planner, keyword planner, which is great for finding trends and doing keywords research. and ad preview and diagnosis, audience manager, bid strategies, and everything to do with setting up your ads, bulk actions, rule scripts and uploads, conversions, Google Analytics you can also access here, and search attribution. And then your setup for your business data, account access, linked accounts, preferences, Google Merchant Center, and then billing, billing summary, billing documents, and billing settings. But what we're going to do is come over here to where it says linked accounts and click on that. All right, and then that should load up. Now you can link different accounts together. As you can see, Google has several accounts here all together. Google Analytics, Google Firebase, which is something new to me. I'm not real sure about what that is. I'd have to read up on that. You got Google Play, of course, that's for their Android operating system. And then Salesforce, third-party analytics, Google Hotel Ad Center, Merchant Center, YouTube, Ads Data, and Search Console. Now, here's YouTube. This is what we want to do right here. I'm going to sort of get me out of the way here. I'll slide me up over here. And you see where it says YouTube here, gain insight into how viewers engage with your videos. And you can remarket to people who interact with your channel, track actions people take after watching your video ads, and drive clicks with call to action overlays. All right, so what you want to do is you come here to that. Remember, we clicked on tools and settings up here. And down here to YouTube, click on the details here. And drag me back down out of the way here. And then right here it says you can link YouTube to Google Ads. All right, it says, but to link a YouTube channel, you must own the channel or be granted permission by the channel owner. Your channel link must be verified in both YouTube and Google Ads. So, and then you just simply click on add a channel here, and then you just paste in your URL, and then see it shows me, and then I own this channel. And then, and let's see, so it says here we got to go to YouTube, and I'm actually linking my channel right now here to Google AdWords. So as long as everything's set right and I'm the administrator of both these, I'll be good to go. If not, I'll be asked to verify this account. But this is just to show you how to do it too as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a shot here and see if this works here. So if I come over here, they're probably going to want me to sign in here possibly. And we'll see here. Okay. Enter, since you're about to link Google Ads account and the number there to channel Kevin Lehner. It says enter as link name helps identify the Google Ads account you're linking to your channel. Keep in mind this name is only used by your channel, isn't used by Google Ads. So let's just call it Kevin's YouTube channel. Something simple, right? Okay, and view counts, remarketing, and engagement. And then we'll go on ahead and link it here. Click link down here at the bottom right. That should do it, I think. There it is. Account link is saved down here at the bottom. See? Alrighty. So at this point, I'm going to believe that my channel is linked to Google Ads, and yes, there it is. That shows right here. It says you've linked 0 YouTube channels to Google Ads. Well, let's see here. Oh, it's awaiting approval. Okay. So apparently you're going to have to get approval by Google to do this. It says a request was sent July the 5th, 2009. So there you have it. That's pretty easy. Just a simple video here today to show you how to do this. And then I don't have any clue about how long it's going to take for the approval process here to approve my request to cancel YouTube channel to Google AdWords, but that shouldn't take too long. I wouldn't think a couple days. I expect maybe somewhere around there. But alrighty, guys, that's pretty much what I had for you today. I want to show you how to connect up your YouTube channel to Google AdWords or Google Ads so that you could run ads on YouTube, which is the second largest search engine next to Google, right, in the world, and help you sell your products and services on YouTube as well. Okay? Alrighty, guys. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up, will you? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell. And if you want to see my #1 recommended business to make a lot of money, click the link down below in the description down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay, and read that paragraph up there above that, and you can see what all you get for checking that out. And you can get a great affiliate marketing education by clicking that as well as some bonuses. Okay, alrighty, guys, I'm gonna let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. All right, you guys take care and have a great day. Bye bye now.